Hello friends and felines, and welcome back to my channel, or if you're venturing onto my channel for the first time today, hi, hello and welcome. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave today. But for today's video, we are doing another battle of the boxes. Boxycharm versus Ipsy. I actually got them in decent time, but they were delivered while I was away in the Adirondacks, so we are filming them today, and hopefully they'll be up before the end of the month. We shall see. But if you're curious to see what's in these boxes and which one is the better box, then definitely keep on watching. Alright, before we get started, if you're curious on this makeup look, that video will be right up there. I did an unboxing of Jeffree Star's mystery box and did a look out of some Jeffree Star products. And I want it to be a nice, cute little look because it's my fiance's and mine's 7th anniversary. Lucky number 7. So we have reservations for dinner tonight and I'm so excited. I think I look so cute and ready for a dinner date. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started with Ipsy. Ipsy is $25 a month and you get 5 full-size items. Same goes with Boxycharm. Boxycharm is also $25 a month, so that's why I like comparing the base box to the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. There is one branch below Ipsy that's like $12 with a bunch of sample sizes, but I'm comparing the equal cost boxes, if that makes sense. Alright, so we look at Ipsy. Here is the bag right here. It says Stay Golden. For $25, I don't like these bags as much. I pretty much use them to put like little giveaway things in. I like the $12 bag a lot better because it's actually like a makeup bag, but it is what it is. I did get a $9 credit to my Ipsy account for last month's shipping fiasco. So I did buy a couple of sample items. So I want to pull out my Ipsy account really quick so I let you guys know what came in the bag and what I bought additional, if that makes sense. Alright, so first item looks like to be an eyeshadow palette. I'm going to take out the bubble wrap so we can take a closer look. Okay. Pumbaa was at the door just meowing to come in, so now he's in here. I let him in my room because he doesn't really mess with my plants, so he usually just wants to come in here and either get all the love or just lay down on my really soft rug. Alright, so this looks to be a eyeshadow palette from Half Caked called Your Eyes Only. So this looks to be something from Half Caked called Your Eyes Only palette, and this is worth $16. Alright, there is the eyeshadow palette right there. So we have a couple of pinks, but mostly like warm brown tones in here. Definitely could create a cute little look with this. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep it or not because I feel like I have a lot of palettes of the same color scheme. So we will wait and see. I've never even heard of this brand though, but I like the packaging, super cool. Looks like a floppy disk. I was just having a conversation with my fiance about this. I think I used floppy disk for like one project in school once, but at least I'm old enough to know what they are. Next thing in here. Okay, so these are a couple of add-ons that I got. Just a couple of face masks from the cream shop. Like I said, I had a $9 credit, so I went and bought like a couple of things. So like I said, these are an add-on from the cream shop. We have a coconut and chia seed sheet mask, and then we have a rose gold sheet mask. I don't think this tells me how much they are. Like I said, I had $9 to spend, so they were under $9. Probably like $2, $3 or something like that. I don't know. All right, next thing in here is something from Il Makiage. I don't even know if I have anything from them or not. This is the waterproof liquid eyeliner in black card. This is $21. I'm definitely gonna keep this because you can never have too many eyeliners. Basic, simple packaging. Let's do a quick little swipe. It is a felt tip applicator. Pretty pigmented. Those are like the waviest lines ever, but yeah, that's not bad. Definitely gonna hold on to that. Next thing in here is something from the Tarte C collection. This is the Jelly Glaze Anytime Lip Mask. I'm trying to get it to focus, but I don't think it will because it's like a yellow packaging. This is $16 for a Jelly Glaze Anytime Lip Mask. You can apply thin layer to your lips as a daytime treatment. The tint looks gorgeous alone or layered with another lip color, or apply thick layer before bed as an overnight treatment. I just got a couple more lip masks, so I don't really think I need this one. This one's in the shade or flavor of toasted coconut. I don't even like coconut though, so it's a good thing that I'm not keeping this. This will just go into a giveaway. Next thing in here is something from Fenty Beauty. This is the Stunna lip paint in the shade Unattached. So this came in the bag and I picked this myself, and this cost $25. I've never tried one of these. I only have the Fenty lip gloss bombs, but I've never tried this, and the packaging just looks so cool. Like, I feel like it's like a stiletto heel or something, or like you could like stab someone with it. But the shade is like a cute like pinky red coral shade. Let's do a quick little swatch. It has like the weirdest applicator, which I've seen pictures of online, but it's just like a little like bumpy thing. Ooh, that's like really liquidy, like super liquidy, but that's the shade right there. Hopefully it will like dry down, but that came out like really liquidy. I don't really know if I shook it or not. I probably should have done that first, but it almost like had the consistency of like nail polish, and this kind of looks like a nail polish container, like maybe. All right, so the next thing in here is something from Context. It's a nude balm. I got this as an add-on, and it's in the shade Back for More, which looks like kind of like a reddish color, and this is $20. Like, why are lip balms so expensive? You could just go and get like chapstick for a couple bucks. I've never heard of this brand either, but oh, it's kind of like a burgundy color, kind of like the same color as my dress. It feels really creamy and really soft, but has the slightest pigment right there, so nothing too crazy. I do like this one, so I'm gonna hold on to this since I did pay to add it on from free money that was given to me. But you know, I'm gonna hold on to this one. All right, the next thing is something from Perlice Beauty, which I believe is like an Asian owned brand or something like that. I've gotten a watermelon exfoliating scrub and a BB cream for them, which I really do enjoy. So this is the Blush Glow BB Cheek Color with vitamin E and hyaluronic acid. So I'm guessing it's gonna be some sort of like cream blush right here. This is in the shade Vivid Coral, and it's worth $18. There's a sticker on here that says, shake before use for best experience. If you see a bit of clear oil, this is normal and helps to ensure seamless blending and a bouncy feel into the skin. These ingredients help provide the best natural glow. So, you know, cream stuff is all the rage right now, and I think I'm finally learning how to use them. That is, if I remember to use them before I actually put like powder on. But I am putting on a lot less powder lately. This is like the tiniest little container for it being $18. It's 10 milliliters, which is the full size. So, oh yeah, it was like all liquid at first and then like chunky. So interesting. But I'm just gonna kind of like blend this around. So this is something you definitely want to put on your hand and kind of like mix around on your hand before you apply it to your face. But that is a really pretty color. Wow, I do really enjoy that. And then I would probably take like a brush and just like stipple it on really lightly. But now that's a lot of product on my hands, so I'm gonna wipe that off really quick. All right, I'm just letting you guys know that it took me a really long time to actually take off the swatches of that Il Makiage eyeliner. So it's probably gonna stay on pretty well. I'm not sure if it's waterproof or not. Yeah, it says it's waterproof, but it did come off with a makeup wipe after a bit of scrubbing. All right, and I think there's one more thing in here. Okay, and this is another add-on. This is from Sugar Cosmetics, the Matte as Hell Lip Crayon in Claire Redfield. And this doesn't have a price on it. It's a deluxe sample. So they don't really put deluxe, they don't put prices on like deluxe samples. But again, I added this on. Just a couple of things with the $9 that they gave me. So I got 3 add-ons for $9, which isn't too bad. And this is just a red lip crayon. Do a quick little swatch. Just something basic right there. I like lip crayons. If you just want like a nice little color, just throw it on really quick, put it in your purse, and you're good to go. All right, I'm gonna add up everything that was in this bag and let you guys know how much it was worth. All right, so the total worth of this box was $96, which I feel like was not a lot. Barely 100, plus like all the little stuff that I added on. Like I think the Context lip balm was $20, and I paid $9 for this, and these sheet masks. Overall, not a bad box. The only thing I know for sure I'm like gonna get rid of is the Tarte Jelly Glaze lip mask. Everything else I think I'm gonna hold on to. But other than that, let's go ahead and hop over to Boxycharm. All right, so like I said, the Boxycharm base box is $25. You get 5 full-size items. This looks like a really small box, but before we get into that, once again, the only thing I'm subscribed to Boxycharm right now is the base box and the deluxe box, the biggest one that's like every 3 months. I'm not subscribed to the premium box, and both times that I was currently not subscribed to the premium box was there a themed box. The first time was all Fenty products, the second time was all like Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina products, so that whole box was full of ABH products, which would have been really cool. But I did get a credit from Boxycharm, which I said in my last video, and I did go ahead and get the Norvina Collection Volume 1 palette because it was half off, so I think it was like $24 or something like that, and they gave me like a $25 credit, so we went ahead and we bought this, which I'm excited. I don't own any of these currently because I think they were like $60 or something like that, so it was even more than half off. So I was not going to pay $60 for a palette like this. So I picked up Volume 1, which I thought like just spoke out to me the most with all the purples, the pinks, like a couple of like periwinkle and like a coral shade. I just really liked this one. So I'm really excited to give this a try. I wouldn't want to like touch it. It just looks so pretty. They do say that there's like half the shades in here are not eye safe. I'm guessing it's because I don't know if it's vegan or not. 17 shades that are not usable in here. I'm guessing that this isn't vegan, so it's probably like carmine beetles or whatever for like pigment that's in here. I'm not really exactly sure, but I don't care. If I don't actually have a reaction to it, I'm gonna go ahead and use them. So it is what it is. So excited to try this out. I might do a video on this, trying it out. We shall see. But I'm really excited I was able to pick this up from another credit that was given to me, so I didn't have to pay anything. All right, now let's hop into the box itself. The theme is fantasy right here. All right, so let's see. First thing is something from the Lifestyle Company, a detox hair serum. Superstar ingredients: almond oil, which soothes the flaking and itchiness of the scalp, argan oil, which supports and strengthens hair follicles, and neem oil, which conditions your scalp and reduces dandruff. Now that's kind of concerning because I literally have neem oil sitting on my shelf that's used on my plants to get rid of and prevent pests. So it's interesting that that is in a hair product. Anywho, this is worth $79. See, like I want to keep stuff like this, but I don't, because with the curly hair method, I don't use a lot of detoxifying products. If I do them like once a month. But I don't know, here's the packaging right here. So I wonder what the directions are. Let's see, it says part the hair into sections, apply 1 to 2 drops to each partition and massage into the scalp. Do not rinse out. Treatment should be used after washing and before styling. I'm gonna keep this. I'm gonna go ahead and give it a shot. If I feel like it doesn't work out for me, I might end up passing it on to my sister or my mom. But we will try it out for it being $79. I did finally try out the Way Bond treatment thing that you put on before you get into the shower. You like coat your whole hair with it and then let it sit for 10 minutes and then rinse it out. And I don't know. And I styled my hair a little bit differently today, but honestly, I feel like we're having a good hair day. I'm like pretty pumped. Like, I don't know, my hair is like not as tightly coiled, but it does look like pretty even. So I don't know, I'm kind of liking it. All right, I digress. Let's get back to the box. The next thing is something from Von Maskey. I've gotten one product from them before, and that was like an anti-blue light facial lotion or something like that. But let's see, this one is a vitamin infused eye serum for $63. So this giant container right here is $63. It's 30 milliliters or 1 fluid ounce. So that's like as much as like would normally be in like a foundation package. So that's interesting. It's supposed to reduce dark circles, moisture boost, vitamin boost, feeding, nourishing, and firming. Fragrance free and pH balanced. I have way too many eye products right now, so honestly I'm probably just gonna pass this along for a giveaway. I just have so many right now, so I don't really need this one. All right, next thing in here is something from Grande Glow. I'm not sure if this is the same as like regular Grande Cosmetics, but it's a plumping liquid highlighter in the shade French Pearl. This is worth $25. I don't know why it's supposed to be plumping. Like the only plumping thing I know is like a lip product. But supposedly it's a plumping liquid highlighter that's infused with a rapid skin lifting system, then uplift to firm and tighten fine lines. I don't really like liquid highlighters, so I'm not gonna swatch it yet. I'm not sure if I'm gonna get rid of it or if I'm gonna like try it, but I really don't like liquid highlighters. I feel like because if you put them on top of powder, it breaks up your foundation, but if you put it underneath powder and powder over it, like the actual like glowiness disappears. So I'm not sure about this. We'll see. All right, the next thing is something from Billion Dollar Brows. This is the Micro Brow Pencil. It's in the shade Taupe, which I don't know, looks like it's supposed to be like for blonde, even though in the survey I definitely put down brown. But this is $16, Brows on Point Micro Pencil. It says it's cruelty-free, waterproof, and paraben-free. Okay, so the actual pencil looks a lot darker than the actual shade on the box. Let's see. Wow, that is like a really fine pencil. Okay, that's a lot darker than I thought it was gonna be, so hopefully that will work out. I know Manny MUA was using this and it was too warm, but he has like black brown. Wow, black brown. He has black brows and mine are definitely not black. I think they're like a warmer brown color. So hopefully this will work. I mean, that made like a really nice thin line. And then obviously you have the spoolie on the other side. So cool, we'll hold on to this. All right, and then the last thing in here is something from Alamar. This is the Hydrating Complexion Trio. This is worth $25 as a brightening and bronze complexion trio. Wow, no eyeshadow in this box, which is kind of weird. Good thing I bought the Norvina one. All right, so here is the Brighten and Bronze Complexion Trio. So you have the brightening shade, Rise and Grind right here, Pale Wear, and then Cafe con Leche. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch these really quick. Ooh, they feel so soft. That is ridiculous. All right, it's kind of hard to see, but obviously this is the brightening one. That's definitely gonna be good for brightening the under eyes. I really don't have any kind of brightening under eye powder. The second one, Pale Wear, is pretty much close to my skin tone. And then the one up here is probably gonna be like the slightest bit of a bronzer. So I don't know, we'll see how good those ones are. But yeah, I'll give this a try. Why not? All right, that's everything for that box. I'm gonna go ahead and add it up and let you guys know how much it was worth and then which box won this month. All right, so this box was worth $208 compared to the $96 in the Ipsy box. That is a significant difference. I'm getting rid of the Mud Masky and I think I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of the Grande Glow. I just know I'm not gonna use it, but then I'm keeping everything else. So which box won this month? I'm gonna have to say Boxycharm. Yeah, Boxycharm won this month. I don't think either one of them were like outstanding boxes, but I'm really happy I was able to get the Norvina box or the Norvina palette with the credit that they gave me. But yeah, I'm kind of upset that like the Boxycharm didn't come with an eyeshadow palette, but I'm excited to try this Complexion Trio palette instead. Well, that's everything for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this battle of the boxes. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and while you're at it, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so you are notified every time I post a new video. I love you guys, and subscribe to my channel and welcome to the feline family. Bye!